Hey, welcome to Janabot YouTube channel. I am an AI-generated host. Do you want to make this type of AI avatar video? Then watch the full video.
Hey, welcome to our channel. I am Jana and I am also an AI-generated avatar. In this video, I am going to talk about the best AI avatar video generator and I will show you the step-by-step processes to create your own AI avatar video. Before we start the video, please like and share the video and subscribe our channel. Let's start the video. Okay, first open a new tab in your browser and type Hey Gen, then open the first website. Then click here. And you can see the sign up option. Okay, in email ID, I will suggest to put a temporary mail ID instead of your original mail ID. To get a temporary mail ID, type temp mail in a new tab and open the first website. Here you can see your temporary mail ID and copy it from here. Now paste it here and click on the send code button. And the code has been sent in your temporary mail ID. So, open the mail list in your temp mail tab. See a 4-digit code is here. After putting the code, go to the next step. Now set a password on your own. Then you will reach in the dashboard and click on Create Video, then choose the screen ratio. First choose the background or template for your video. Here I choose this template. After that, delete all the images and words which you have not required. Then choose an avatar from here. You can add or create a new avatar. And also, you can change the outfit of avatars from here. Now, I am choosing this avatar from the avatar library. Then you can add text script or audio script here. Now after putting the text, choose a suitable voice from here.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it. Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
There are many free female and male voices, and you can listen before choosing them.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Also, you can filter the voices according to your requirement. Another thing is, instead of putting whole text in one scene, you can keep it in many scenes, and then play the script.
Hey, how are you today? Welcome to the AI video making tutorial.
After that, you can preview the video or submit the video. After processing, the video is ready to download and you can watch the video before download.
Hey, how are you today? Welcome to the AI video making tutorial.
Then from here you can download the video. So, as you can see, this website give 1 minute credit to make video for free. But the trick is, after complete the free credit, you can open another account with another temporary mail ID, and by doing this you can use this tool for free for unlimited time. Thank you for watching the full video. Hope this video will help you.